G'day folks, I'm Benno, this is the shed. Today we're going to just do a little bit of a review of a couple of little bits and pieces I picked up this week, just a couple of little tools. So let's just get into it without talking too much crap about it. What I got, it's just a little set of brushes. So there's a steel wire brush, a brass brush, and a nylon brush. And you go, oh, what's so exciting about those? Well, very handy if you're working on old motorcycles. I'll give you the drum. Firstly, because they're small, I'll just use this piece just to demonstrate. Because they're so small, makes it very easy just to get into the tight spots. Clean up those tight spots you might want to put a bit of paint on, or you want to get the crap out of. And that works really quite well. It's cheap stuff review, so these brushes cost me, I think it was about $7 at Total Tools in Albury, Wodonga. So Total Tools, thank you very much. Handy little tool, handy little addition to my arsenal of tools. I'll just mention that I have no affiliation to Total Tools or anything like that. This is purely my personal opinion on the tools. Yeah, but I think they're a great price and a very handy little tool, and I'll be using them quite a bit in the future. Right guys, you know the drill, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment, and I'll catch you next time.